Like sir, tapos A29, malapit sa
sa mga panauming nakaupo.
Princess. For flight details, flight time is approximately 1 hour. Cruising altitude will be 32,000 feet. Weather notice forecasted to be cloudy. For everyone's safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened at all times. For the Princesa, weather update shall be reported prior to descent. Your safety and comforts always are priority. We request all guests to pay attention to announcement from the flight deck and cabin crew. Your usual patience for cooperations and compliance are highly appreciated. Please not hesitate to call the attention of our cabin crew should you require further assistance, clarification on these important measures. We wish you a safe, pleasant journey. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific.
Johnny, and together with my team, welcome aboard Cebu Pacific, making first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Puerto Princesa. In command of the aircraft is Captain Regalado, ably assisted by First Officer Tabones. Our flying time is approximately 1 hour. Ang lipad na ito ay pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Regalado sa tulong ni unang opisyal Tabones. Tayo po ay lilipad ng humigit kumulang 1 oras.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew, who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic bands sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off.
Out ka na.
Ma'am, sir, kindly proceed to the arrival area immediately po. Ma'am, sir, kindly proceed to the arrival area immediately po. Kindly proceed to the arrival. Ano dito?